Releasing dopamine.
What's up guys, what's happening? Scamming in the building, like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, and we there with another
Coronavirus! Coronavirus! I'm telling you!
banger. But right before we get tonight guys, as usual, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because it really helps out your Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway peeps, no more itching, right into it. Alright peeps, alright, we'll watch your first video now. Let's go.
Come on, let's go! Let's go! We're going back! Come on!
Bruh.
Rasta get a seizure.
This is insane.
What the kind of bug is that?
Bitch, an eyelash bug.
Bruh.
Ooh, this is, ooh, bitch, I'm on fleek.
It looks
Just got my lashes done in the club. Munching you.
I'm good. Alright peeps, here are my thoughts on the video. Why? A rougher road. It really rougher road. This happened in Montego Bay. I think it's yesterday. Thing. One, me very happy say nobody never get hurt. And thing. Me very happy, you know. But well, I know say rougher road still for enough people, because enough people lose them job and them maybe not have no job or whatever reason still, you know. It look like a delivery vehicle I have on a dash cam, if you people don't know, you know. And as they clearly can see, I drive and boom, run out. So that look like a definite setup thing. I don't know. That look away. I'm glad to nobody not get hurt, but boy, I know me live in a dream world still, but I love if the people them stop do them things still, you know. But at the same time, I know I say rough, but it still not give an excuse to do them thing. Yo, I love for just beg the man them for just cool off of them thing there, you know what I mean? As I've always said before, the world need more healing than anything right now. We don't need no violence. We don't need no murdering. We don't need no raping. No nothing. None of them things there. No needed. The world need more healing than anything. Word of encouragement. Build each other up. You know what I mean? Especially for our victims who are suffering from the big C, or who lost a family member, because of the big C. Not only just locally, but just around the world. You know what I mean? We need more acts of kindness. You know what I mean? Check by your neighbor. You're good. As I'm telling you already, you know, what kind of future you want to set for the next generation. You know what I mean? What future? What example? What you gonna have put on for them? You know what I mean? And that is not the right way. Definitely not the right way, because people could have get hurt right there, so you know. Even the man themselves who are do the robbery, you know. Yeah, somebody could have lose them life right there, so you know. So I always say there ulterior I'm pretty much saying there's always a different path, you know. So I don't know if nobody have watched that video, you know what I mean, where you know somebody will do that stuff, or even you yourself do them thing, you know, for go down that path still. I not be your father or anything, but there are different ways, you know what I mean? There is so much opportunity, and I still believe even in the midst of all of this, there are blessings, you know? God knows him in regards to everybody's life. You know what I mean? I'm glad nobody get hurt. I feel that way and thing, but I love the people them for just cool down in Jamaica, you know, especially MoBay, because it's like it not stop. it not stop. Even in the midst of all of this, I think it not cool down, you know. Everything will happen, but it not cool down at all. But I would love for it to cool down, guys, you know. Don't get me wrong. But that's just my thoughts on the whole thing. Let me know what's your thoughts down below. You know, comment down below and make we talk one-on-one from right there, so, you know, because everybody feedback is very, very important. You know, I hope the 2 little laugh video they make me smile, because after all, you know that laughter is good for the soul in the midst of everything. You know, thank you very much for watching. As always, I appreciate all viewers and everybody will comment on my videos, them thumbs up, whether good or bad comments, yo, I appreciate it all. You know what I mean? And guys, remember the link down below also to my new YouTube channel, Sinus Entertainment. Please go check it out. There's so much to be said about this, you know, because it stems and come from a lot of different angles, you know. We're probably there the whole day, and you know, but make a chat down below in the comment section, alright? And remember to leave a like, alright? And thank you very much for watching. God bless. Stay safe, you and the family. Go and join with your boy. Ashoo!